It's a time to pee. Yeah, mama said it's better to be pissed off than pissed on. You don't get as wet. It's art and activism, the art of protest. Runners for justice. This is a video documentary about being black in America, at least being black in Baltimore. I came here straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections. When you go to jail, you got to share that toilet with an inmate. So I use a toilet as a prop for a movie all about Baltimore. That's Brent Jones from the Baltimore Sun. That's ABC2, the cameraman at ABC2. That's Chuck D, Public Enemy. You feel me? And that's my toilet. My toilet is infamous in Baltimore. So is my grill. I'm a man on fire. Employees spend the summer getting sweaty. That's Governor O'Malley and Shorty in 2005. I'm Shorty. I'm an activist. You can contact Devin Allen and ask Devin Allen about Shorty. You can contact Joy Olapola from the Baltimore County Police Department. You can contact the Baltimore Ravens. Shorty's bootleg barbecue is so good I'm illegal. It's art and activism, the art of protest. Alright? And like I said, it's a time to pee. I use a toilet because a toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. Jesus had a cross. Martin had a dream. Malcolm got a gun. Shorty got a toilet. We all got our shit to deal with. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. So we're getting ready to open up Baltimore. It's open for business. That's Ozzie Newsome from the Baltimore Ravens. That's Ed Mulatello. That's me on the House of Cards. Alright? I was the cook on the House of Cards. Look at episode 13. So I decided to make a movie about Baltimore. This is 2015. Everything I've been going through since I came to Baltimore. Baltimore, New York, Philadelphia, and Chicago. Alright? My name is Dwayne G. Davis, a.k.a. Shorty. I'm writing you this letter to inform you. You feel me? And I'll let y'all know about that. Stephanie Rawlins Blake, Interim Police Commissioner Davis, the Baltimore City Council, and presidential candidate Martin O'Malley. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Making a movie about your prison industry and the money you make off black bodies. You did House of Cards. You did Homicide on the Streets. You did The Wire. Well, we're going to show you the money you make off of us. Like I said, 2021 Weaver Award winner. I'm Shorty. Shorty Davis. So if they want to hide something, hide it in the book. So I put it in the book. It's a time to pee. Put it in a book and I put it on film. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. Black lives don't matter. Black money do. And we worth money. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made us the cash crop. You kill us indiscriminately. You treat pets better than you treat people. But like I said, that's Governor O'Malley in my Storm Falls Road. Dwayne Davis versus State of Maryland. It's the art of getting money. It's the money you make off black bodies. It's a visitor's pass, because I put it all in a book. And those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger for kidnapping me. It was worth $250 million. Means, motive, and opportunity. So we're going to go to the state prosecutor's office. All right? And we're going to talk to Brandon Scott. Because this is the mail. And mail leaves a paper trail. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. He got that. See who else got that? That's Kamenetz before Kamenetz died. So y'all go find that legal work. That's Councilman Itzy. We want city, county, state. And that's Governor Westmore. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. City, county, state, and federal levels. I've exhausted my remedies under the law. And that's Ivan Bates, and he got it. You're officer of the court. If you have evidence and knowledge of the criminality in the court, you're supposed to turn that material over. That's the state prosecutor's office, and that's Ivan Bates. That's Erek Barron in the state prosecutor's office. We're going to end the corruption in Baltimore. We're going to count that money, because money counts itself. That's the Legislative Black Caucus, because this year, just like in 2014, I asked y'all to investigate it. Kaylin got it. A lot of y'all got it. Y'all ain't turned it over yet. I want to be exonerated. I want to be exonerated for my kidnapping in 2011. I want my property to be returned. That's Attorney General Anthony Brown. Everything that you got to give up. You sign for it. All about Scott Shellenberger. You feel me? We talking about election fraud, voter fraud, because I'm an ex-felon. Ex-felons got a right to vote and register other ex-felons to vote. So you're going to have to investigate that. I'm an ex-felon, remember? 1986, Dwayne G. Davis, Richard Longmire, Benny Starks. I'm a copywritten criminal. And the state of Maryland participated in fraud. That's the state prosecutor's office. All right? That's Bill Ferguson. He got that. State prosecutor's office. That's Brian Frosch. He got that 2016. You've been sitting on that. We're going to count that money. Yeah, Chief Justice Mary Barbera. She got that. State prosecutor. We're going to prosecute Scott Shellenberger the same way that y'all prosecuted Naphon from the Duke lacrosse team. That's the controller, Peter Francott. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property theft. We talking about $250 million, and we talking about a class action lawsuit against the state for illegally incarcerating Black Baltimore City and Black Baltimore County people. We're going to talk about the 2023 crime bill. Yeah, you incarcerated an activist. My activism is the courts and the corruption in the courts and the money you make off of black bodies. Black lives don't matter. Black money do. Then y'all gonna have to pay the community back what y'all took from us. You can't bring none of these people back, but you can start sending him to jail. We're gonna count that money. That's Peter Francott, Carroll County. You got that. That's Baltimore State's Attorney, Marilyn Mosby. She gonna have to tell the truth and shame the devil, because she didn't have that since 2016. She can't protect Scott Shellenberger because she getting ready to go to jail. That's State's Attorney Mosby. She had that. Scott Shellenberger running out of friends. Governor Hogan got that. Everything points to Scott Shellenberger. Governor Hogan, you want to run for office? You want to promote democracy? Well, that's in Annapolis. And that's your legal mail. You got a moral and ethical obligation to address that. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's Delegate Sheila Rue. She my friend. She's been watching me do this since the beginning. That's the state prosecutor's office. That's Dwayne G. Davis. Those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. You feel me? Criminally charged Scott Shellenberger the same way that you charged Naphon and the Duke lacrosse team. That's my puppet. And we weaving in Baltimore. You feel me? We weaving in Baltimore. Art and activism. Maryland's prison industry. I'm getting ready to shit on y'all 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If I don't get no justice and I don't get my money, you don't get no peace.